Bravo space for runway 01, delete. Best glide on this airplane, 65. We're going to try and maintain that. Kelly Skylar traffic, Cessna 4928 Bravo is final for runway 01, Kelly. No engine power at all now. Power's out. We're doing a little better than best glide, or a little less than best glide. Kind of overextended our turn. We got full flaps. They're lined up here on final here. Still no engine power. Hey!
That was real good.
Killing Skylar traffic, Cessna 4928 Bravo is clear, runway 01 and taxiway Echo. Killing Skylar traffic.